All right, so this is property. It's 130 Glenwood Ct. Really cool place. It has 4 units. There's 3 units in the main property, and in the back, there's separate units. Now, one of the units back there is a 3-1, and the other unit back there is a 2-1. Really nice, newly renovated. Everything's inside. We actually looked inside those properties, and they look really clean, really nice. Two of these properties are actually under SAHA, which is San Antonio Supportive Housing, which is kind of like a rental subsidized. So, in other words, it's guaranteed rent. And all these tenants signed a 1-year lease in January, so they're good to go. Agency that's selling this house is also, they also provide rental property management services at 5% net income per month. They handle everything. They try to maintain the property so that the expenses don't get too high. But I have the card here, so you can get more information about their property management services. So basically, they're willing to sell this property, and then also you can retain them as a property management company. Now this is going for $375 or $325. I gotta check. $325, and they're willing to take a conventional loan, so that would mean about 20% down. So it looks good. Newly renovated in a pretty good area. You're close to downtown, close to the highway.